It's grammar time. Nouns and pronouns acting as objects of the preposition. While nouns and pronouns behave in different ways in sentences, this lesson focuses only on objects of the preposition. When we're trying to figure out where objects of the preposition or OPs are in a sentence, we must first understand a few rules. The OP is the noun or pronoun that follows a preposition and answers the question what. The purpose of a prepositional phrase is to show relationship and add description so we have a better understanding of the noun the sentence is talking about. The subject of a sentence is never in a prepositional phrase. The verb in a sentence is never in a prepositional phrase. There are a ton of prepositions, and you should memorize them. Do it now. You can find them on the internets, and the easiest way to memorize them is in alphabetical order. If you do this, I will be so impressed with you. With you is a prepositional phrase. Masterful. Really, you want to be able to identify prepositional phrases, and in order to do that, you need to memorize those prepositions. Because of the rules on the previous slide, it is easiest to locate the prepositional phrases after finding the verb or verbs in the sentence. For example, the strange man on the window plays flute in the afternoon. In this sentence, the verb is plays. Then we must seek out the prepositions in this sentence. Once we've done that, we see that on and in are the two prepositions in this sentence. To locate the objects of the preposition, we ask the question, what? On what? On the window. In what? In the afternoon. So window and afternoon are the objects of the preposition. Since nouns and pronouns function the same way, we should be able to find the objects of the preposition for pronouns in exactly the same way. For example, I travel with her to him. In this sentence, the verb is travel. Then let's seek out the prepositions. They are with and to. There are two prepositions in this sentence, and to locate the objects of the preposition, we ask the question what? With what? Her. To what? Him. Her and him are the objects of the preposition. If you find a word that looks like a preposition but does not have the answer to the question what afterward, it's not a preposition. I hope this helps. Enjoy your grammar.